Hello guys, as you come to my screen here, you can see I have around 100 naira credit, so I'll be actually getting just for free today. So guys, first of all, if you are new to this channel, which is of my house, if you don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So guys, in this new video, I will show you through step by step on how to start with this website. So guys, in this website I will actually show you three things. So let me show you. The first thing that I will show you is I will show you how to create account in this website. Guys, so this is step one, which is let me bold it so that you guys can be able to see how this actually works. So let's move into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is just head over to just click on enter. Actually, if you have enter, so the only what you need to, so I can there's no, well, let me just go to direct to my account and show you how to get started. So I think the site name is this one, so let me go to incognito so that I will show you how to create it step by step, guys. So make more, let's control. So guys, here is the link. So boom, you can see right now it's loading. So boom, here is the website, and let me show you guys, this website is just for Nigerian. You can be able to get a credit, and you can even withdraw to your bank account using bank or Nigerian bank. So guys, this is how actually getlumi.com work. So here is the easiest way to earn cashback. So there is cashback, you can withdraw them, you can use them as a credit and etc. So let's hop over to create an account. So let's close this as an aid. So guys, you can either sign off with your Gmail account or your Facebook account. So let's move, or I should say let's do let's see, we are going to use our Gmail to create it. So let's do this. I made a mistake, sorry guys. So here is the correct one, so I don't use to put my numbers here, enter the referral code. So I will leave the referral code link in the description. So guys, if you want to open, if you use my referral code, you will get I think 500 points equivalent to 200 naira. So just if you have it, just click refer your number, your username, your everything. So let me finish because I just want to show you how to create account in this. If you want to go with your Gmail account, is how you can do. So let's move back to our video on how to get this amount of credit, how to get this reward wallet, and I have referred one people, I have claimed over 100 naira. So guys, if you want to top up in this, you just click head over to top up. Right amount, let's see, you are going to add 10,000 the next. So boom, it will actually open a new one, or I should say reload on the screen. So it will show you what amount do you want to use to top up your account. So I don't use to top up, I don't want to top up, so I'm just showing you guys to do the same as a result so that you can start getting this cashback money. So guys, let's move back and let's see, cancel, yes, okay. So boom, you can see that it brings up back to our brand new website. So let's move to the dashboard. So the step one on how to get cashback is by taking a survey. With quick action, take a survey is the best way to earn, or is the one of the best way in this platform to earn cashback. They say complete survey and unlock unlimited reward for yourself. So let's click on it. So boom, if we click on it right now, we don't have any survey because I almost used to do any survey. And let me show you my email, because they used to email many people so that whenever there is new survey, they say that no survey is available. So let me take you over to my email so that I will show you it's actually legit and it's working. So here is my email. So you see there, and then they say Lumi reward. See, they say brand new activities, 500 points in 3 minutes. Exact news. A new activities is available for you at first before the activity is gone. So here I have just finished taking this survey so that I will show you how you can be able to do and cashback unlimited. So if you enjoy this video, please just give it a thumbs up and just comment down below and see Lumi and cashback. So I will be so excited for this. So here is how you can how all this is works. But if you want to earn, or I should say make more money and earn more cashback, there are other ways of earning them. You see airtimes and those also, like when you want to buy airtime in your bank, or I should say you can be able to transfer money to here and cashback when you use your money in. So you can earn up to 20 points, and you can even shop to earn up to 10k points, and you can even earn up to 90k points, you see, by exploring and other materials. So the congratulations to our new fellow winners. So they are giving giveaway next by next, or actually week, right? So that's how actually work. So if you please enjoy this video, don't forget to like our video, subscribe to this online hustle variety channel for more videos like this. So catch up in the next video, guys. Bye.